Linear search without divide and conquer. So what are the input element? We can simply say an array of an element and search element x. An array of an element and search element x. This is the input, and what will be the output? Return position of x if it is found, else return minus 1. So if we are supposing the array element 10, 20, 30, 1, 2, 3, 11, 21, 31, if we are supposing like that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, total 9 element we have. So how linear search will work without divide and conquer? So linear search array and elements number of, and the element need to be searched. So for I is equal to 1, I less than equal to n, I plus plus, this is the array, this is the total number of element, this is element to be searched. So it will start from 1, I is equal to 1, and it will go I less than equal to n and I plus plus. Then what it will do, it will do if array of I is equal to x, then it will return I, it means position of that element. If we are comparing every element of the array one by one with the element which we need to search, which we want to search, that is x. So if it is equal, if we found it, then we'll return the position, that is I, of that element. Otherwise it will return minus 1 and the closing of linear search. So we can simply say if there is only if only one element is present, then order of 1 will be the time complexity. Time complexity order of 1, that is, we can say the best case. We can say the best case. But if every time we need to search, then it will be the order of n, that we can say the worst case. And average case, we can simply say if total are n element, average it means 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, like total n element. So every time we are searching, so average case will be half best, half worst. So it will be n plus 1 by 2 upon total number of element. If we do addition of this, so it will be n plus 1 by 2, but total number of, because we need to calculate average, so upon total number of element. So what we will get, we will get n plus 1 by 2. So we can simply say the order of n. So we can simply say the order of n, the best case also. So now we talk about the space complexity. What will be the space complexity? So we have n number of element we are supposing, as we are supposing here, and because it's of integer type, so input plus extra space, so input because we are supposing here n number of elements we have, and because of integer, so 2n input plus extra space. What we have array, we have n number of element, we have element need to be searched and for calculating the index. So total 4 variables we have and all are of integer type, so we can simply say 8 byte, because these are 4, 1, 2, 3 and I 4, so total 8 byte. So we can simply say order of n. The space complexity will be order of n and the time complexity will be order of n. In the linear search, which is we are working without divide and conquer.